Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 3rd, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here at the end of the video in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, yesterday was the tariff news. Pretty wild, pretty volatile day for sure. I mean, price went all the way up, went all the way down, and stopped everybody out basically, and just continued up. I didn't actually trade the news this tariff news event because it was about 10 p.m. where I live in Europe. But it actually, in hindsight, it did pretty much exactly what I thought it was going to do. Yeah, I've been saying for a few days now that this is actually, which I think is easier to see on the 4 hour, honestly. If we go to the 4 hour time frame, I think it's very easily to say that this is three waves down, three waves up, and then three waves down. This is a really good example of a WXY. I think it's a little bit of an expanding WXY because it's a higher high W and a lower low Y, but very, very, very nice example of a WXY. This little spike action right here in the middle, if you were watching this over time frames, probably would have been pretty confusing. But watching this time frame, it's definitely not confusing. It looks like a perfect end of a correction. Looks like we are continuing the uptrend. So going up to the higher time frames, if this really is a wave C, then I would probably keep an eye on this top right here around the 0.58 area. If it's really a wave 3, which I personally think that it is a wave 3, then I would think that it would go at least to the zero point 0.6 area and most likely lots and lots higher than that. I actually think eventually it's going to take out these highs, but that's like a yearly outlook. So, anyways, with that all in mind, definitely take it down to the sort of time frames. I know one thing for sure is I wouldn't be going long now. I don't think I would recommend shorts now either because I think we are clearly in a wave three. All I know is that if and when it makes a three-way pullback, whenever it does happen, I would definitely be ready to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.